Today we are here in the southwest side of Las Vegas. Now behind me, we have a beautiful single story, 4-car garage with a next gen suite. Today we're here at Henry by Lennar, so don't go anywhere. Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Now, if you guys are new to my channel, if this is your very first time tuning in, my name is Dale Bella with eXp Realty. I'm a local realtor here in Las Vegas. Now, what we do on my channel is we go over all the new construction communities here in Las Vegas. So if this is something you're interested in, if you're planning on moving, buying, or selling here in Las Vegas, do me a huge favor, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification button. That way you stay up to date with all the newest communities here in Las Vegas. Hey, what's going on everyone? So today is August 18, 2025, and today we're here at the Henry by Lennar here in the southwest side of Las Vegas. Now, just to give you guys an idea of where we're located, we're in a great location. We're here right off of Rainbow and Blue Diamond. So for you guys that are not familiar, Southwest area is really popular. On Rainbow, you have plenty of restaurants, plenty of stores close by, along with Blue Diamond as well. So, you know, you do have a Target and EOS and many different restaurants. But the great thing about the Southwest area is how convenient it is to get to the Las Vegas airport and strip. You're close to the 15 or the 215, so it's easily accessible. So once you get on the freeway, you get to the strip, the airport in about 10 minutes. We're here at the Henry. I'm gonna have the floor plans on the screen for you. So they offer 5 different floor plans, okay? They offer 2 single-story floor plans, the Eleanor and the Williams, along with 3 two-story floor plans, which is the Liberty, Paul, and the Justin, okay? Now, these homes, you're looking at about 3,500 square feet, all the way up to about 42, close to 4,300 square feet homes, okay? So pretty large homes. A lot of these homes are gonna have next-gen suites in them as well. So if you're not familiar with a next-gen suite, great. It's a separate living area that's inside the house. So it's great for multi-general living, as well as, you know, if you have like family, distant family that wants to live with you, okay? But out the door, I mean, when it comes to pricing, the base prices are going to range from about $884,990 all the way up to about $1,124,990. Now, whenever you look at the base price, just so you know, that doesn't include like the upgrades and the lot premiums. So, you know, here at Lennar, for many of these homes, like the quick move-ins, you're looking at about $996 to about 1.2, just over 1.2 million. Okay. Now, Lennar usually makes spec homes. So when I say spec homes, that just means quick move-in homes. They pick out all the options. These homes are they're either ready now or they're ready within the next few months. Now, if you want to go with an option like that, you are going to get the best deal because the builder is more motivated to sell these homes. But if you want to pick some of your options out, you just have to look at a home that closes in about like 5 or 6 months out. So that way you could still pick cabinets, flooring, countertop, backsplash, and maybe like a structural upgrade or 2, okay? But you have to get in pretty, again, like 5 to 6 months out. Now, the HOA here is going to be about $103 a month. Yes, it is gated. So that's pretty much like all that includes the neighborhood maintenance as well as the gate. Now, as far as the lot square footage, it really ranges here in this community, but they do have some lots here that are pretty large, okay? So, but yeah, that's all I got for you. Let's get started with the tour. All right, welcome everyone to the Eleanor Next Gen floor plan. Now, this is going to be a single story home, 3,565 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bath, 4-car garage. And again, guys, it does have a next gen suite as well, which we will be touring. Now, the base price as of today is $1,133,990. Looks like they do have a quick move-in that's just over 1.2 million. Okay. Now, again, if you're going for a move-in ready home, like an inventory home, one that's already completed, you're gonna get a better deal on those homes. Okay, so this is gonna be the gate to the next gen suite door. But if you want to pick out your options, you have to go with a lot that's probably about like 4 to 5 months away from completion. You could pick out your options, but usually you can't get the best deal on those homes. So, but yeah, definitely one of my favorite floor plans. Yeah, I just love the, you know, next gen suite, has a 4-car garage, and it feels spacious inside. So welcome in. So as soon as you walk in, you're gonna have 10-foot ceilings, okay? Now, something that you could expect for all spec homes is, you know, all the walls are gonna be white. They're gonna be like this texture right here, okay? You also have the 10-foot ceilings as well. All these can lights that you see here will be included. Okay, so over here, you're gonna have 2 bedrooms. One right here, one right here. Okay, you got the transfer grills up there to help regulate the airflow. So welcome in, guest bedroom number 1. That's gonna be a full-size bed. Definitely feel spacious, especially with the 10-feet ceilings. Okay, so it looks like you do have a walk-in closet. Now you also have that light, which you can switch it out for a ceiling fan light. Okay, so walk-in closet. Usually the blinds are not included, but guys, it's if you're interested, let me know. That's we could definitely get that included as well. Okay, so so you're gonna have the Jack and Jill bath. Now you have 2 sinks. This is the quartz countertop that you could expect in the bathrooms, as well as the undermount sink and the faucet. Now the spec homes, usually where they're gonna be different, it's gonna be different in options. So the cabinets might be different, as well as the flooring, okay? Now right over here, you're gonna have a door to your toilet room, as well as your shower tub combo. Okay, so it is fiberglass. And then right over here, you're going to have your bedroom. Now guys, again, I know I say this in all of my videos, but if you are interested in new construction and you're thinking about going to a community for your very first time, do me a huge favor, give me a call, shoot me a text. I would be honored to go with you on your very first visit and help you out with the process. But if you're working with a realtor, that's okay too. Just make sure your realtor goes with you on your very first visit. Just don't go by yourself, okay? Because if the second you go by yourself, the new build agent's gonna ask for your name, your phone number, email. Once they have that information, it's gonna be hard to get you representation. Now, the difference is the new build agents look after the builder's best interest, and we look after your best interest, okay? So we're negotiating for you. We hold the builders accountable. So, you know, definitely important to get yourself representation. Now, I know some buyers are concerned these days because they think if they have to find their own representation, that they have to pay for the realtors, their representation. But I'm here today to tell you that I've never charged my buyer clients, okay? So yeah, it's pretty easy for us to get paid on the seller's end if it's resale homes or the builder. Okay, so look, this is gonna be the laundry room. So it looks like the upper cabinets, that is an upgrade, but you will be getting like the sink in the laundry room. And then you have these nice washer and dryer here, which it says optional, but again, guys, if you are interested, let me know. We could probably have them throw that in there. So this is gonna be your powder room. It's the powder room that your guests would be using. Okay, as far as the paint color, the paint texture, paint finish, you're gonna have flat paint all throughout the house. And I think it is either semi-gloss or eggshell in the wet areas. So the bathroom, kitchen, the laundry room. And then you also have this flat corner edging, okay? Baseboards that you could see here, looks like we have about, looks like 4-inch baseboards. Also, these doors, they're gonna use these for all the homes in the community. So you have the nice, was it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 panel doors. So this is gonna be your coat closet. Okay, nothing too special about that. All right, so welcome to your main living area. Really nice flow. You have a large living room. your dining room, and then your kitchen. Long island as well. Okay. Waterfall island, which is really nice. And you have plenty cabinets. Okay. So as you can see, also too, you're going to have the monogram appliance package. So you have like the oven, the stove top, as well as the hood. Now, really nice backsplash as well. So again, with the backsplash, that is upgraded. Okay. In my opinion, I always think backsplash is the best when it matches the countertop. It just looks the cleanest, but that's also the most costly to do, just because, you know, they have to buy another slab. Okay, so right over here, stainless steel undermount sink. This is what you can always expect for your sink, as well as this Moen faucet. So things like this, there's no options. What you see is like what you get. Okay, so remember, the only type of options, if you wanted to pick out any, is you'd have to be about 4 or 5 months out. You can pick your countertop, your cabinets, your flooring, your backsplash. Okay, so really nice size pantry. Now this is gonna lead to the door to your garage. Now I believe the garage is locked. Yeah, garage doors are always locked because construction uses that, but it is a 4-car garage. Okay, nice monogram refrigerator. Definitely feels like a good quality refrigerator. It's heavy. Definitely feels secure. You're also gonna have your microwave right here. Okay. Nice, beautiful cabinets. As you can see in this community, they don't usually do the pulls, they do this. It's more sleek looking, modern. Okay. Very nice open floor space. Now over there, you're gonna have your primary bedroom, and this is gonna be your door to your next gen suite. But yeah, let's take a look at this slider. Okay, so yes, this slider does stack, it does go down. Now, when you move in, you're gonna have this covered patio. You're gonna have pavers underneath it, but kind of where you see the cement and the turf, that's gonna all be dirt. So once you move in, you have about 6 months to a year to landscape your backyard, okay? Okay, so you know what? We'll start with the primary bedroom. Nice little hallway, the primary bedroom. Okay, very open. Check that out. Now the primary bedroom looks like it's gonna have the four can lights, as well as the pre-wire for the ceiling fan. You also are gonna have a door to go to the backyard. Let's check out this bathroom. So you got dual sinks, you have a tub in the middle. You also have a walk-in shower, tile surround. Okay. Most likely for the spec homes, you're gonna have a different type of material for the tile surround. Okay, so this is gonna be your toilet. Again, your sink. Nice, you have that right there. And then a pretty deep walk-in closet, as you can see. All right, guys, so now we'll check out the next gen suite. Check out the next gen suite. Okay. So this is a next gen suite right here. This is gonna be great for if you live with like your in-laws, or if you have distant family or guests. Now the next gen suite is like a separate living area attached to the house. So you're gonna have your own kitchen, living room. You have your entry door, which you could, I don't know if you could see that right there. There's gonna be a door to the garage. So anybody staying here could access the garage as well. Okay, you have a thermostat here as well. And then this is gonna be the next gen suite bedroom, which is actually, it's pretty large. not too much smaller than the primary bedroom. So your full bath, okay, single sink, toilet, walk-in shower. And then its own walk-in closet. But again, right here, you're gonna have a stacked washer and dryer. So they don't have to use the laundry room inside like the main house. But yeah, the only thing the next gen suite's missing is like a stovetop. That's the only thing really. But yeah, they can't have a stovetop due to like permitting issues. I think they would have to, it would be a completely different unit. It'd have to have its own parcel, I believe, if they were to put a gas line in here. But yeah, door to the garage. Okay, so you got your paver walkway path. But yeah, guys, that's about it. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. And if you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.